Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And before starting off the video guys, I want to let you know that our first video on this topic, the Chapri style mistakes that I did before, it's the first video to cross 1000 views and 100 plus likes. So thank you so much who are on board with that video and watching the second one after that. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at Chapri style mistakes part 2. But hey, it's not just style mistakes this time, it's lifestyle mistakes as well. And shout out to Prashant Gusen for the comment on top 5 sneakers on a budget. And buddy, I'm gonna make the video soon. I was already on the video before you even suggested, but now I'm gonna make it like much quicker. I'm gonna come up with that video very soon. And if you have any other suggestions for me, please drop it down in the comment section below. You can also directly ask me on Instagram. And let's get started with today's video. Again guys, if you're new to this whole thing, I know at some point you have seen these people before. They're like everywhere, okay, in every corner of the world. And in India, there are a lot of them, a lot of Chapri people. You know what's the best way and the easiest way to find these Chapri and Tapori people? Get onto Facebook or Instagram and look for these people in girls comment section. There you will find these types of comments. Nice peak deer. The ones that do this, there you go, you have your Chapri. And that's the very first thing on the list. Come on guys, like commenting on a girl's picture isn't bad, but you have to keep some things in mind. You have to comment something related to the picture. If you really want to comment something related to that picture, not just nice big deer or send bobs and vagine. That's kind of in the future, but still it's kind of the same. Chapri people do this as well. When you do this, you come off as desperate sexual predators. And that is the whole vibe you give out there, okay? If you did not know this till this point, now you know it. So here's the lesson for people: do this. Don't come off as a desperate sexual predator. Number 2 on the list is snake rash driving, bullet pataka, and RX 100 revving. What are you, a snake? क्यों कर रहे हो? Nagin dance कर रहे हो? What the fuck is wrong with you? Why can't you drive straight? Why do you have to do this and put other people's lives in danger? Hey, at this point, I don't care what happens to you because you are doing something wrong, my friend. So I don't care really what happens to your life, but you are putting other people's lives in danger as well. So think about that. And what is up with that bullet pataka, dude? What do you think? You look cool or something with that? Man, you just blow people's eardrums every time you do that. If you think that you look cool with that, no, not at all. You come off as the most Chapri person in the world at that moment, okay? And you're so annoying. Let me tell you how annoying you are. I really can't come up with an example right now because you are at the top of the line and there's no example that can relate to you. And the next thing is RX 100 ki revving ki awaaz. What is up with that? Are you someone who works at the circus in that maut ka kuwa thing? What's the whole point in revving the bike? Why? You're doing the same thing as the bullet pataka guy, just in a more cheaper way. What do you guys think? What, are we in a jungle or something? Do you think that to get the female's attention you need to make like these loud noises?
Deep in the unexplored psyche, here we see Suburban sex maniacus tracking his prey through the living room. Observe as the male indicates his interest in mating by making loud, aggressive noises.
And if that's the case, you are a shame to us men. So that way there's nothing changed between you and the million-old primates that we were. So that evolution factor, it's not into consideration in here. Number 3 on the list is posting gym stories all the time, your shirtless pictures, and those jungle wala photo shoots. We'll come back to that. First of all, I would like to start with, we know you go to the gym, you lift some weights, burn some fat, or like whatever your goal is, but we don't want to be reminded of it 10 times a day. Do us a favor and keep it down, people. Keep it down. Now the shirtless pics. You know, if you have worked out a lot, you're shredded and you like really worked on yourself, it's completely fine to kind of show off every once in a while. But doing that every single day, every week, every month, and a whole year, that's just stupid. You look tacky. You look cheap basically. And you know what's the more cheaper version of this one? It's the man cleavage. I know you've seen this everywhere, okay? I see people just roaming around on the streets, showing off their man cleavage, and it's not just like 1 or 2 buttons down, it's like 3-4 buttons down the road. What is up with that? And now let's talk about the jungle wala photo shoots. What is up with that? Tell me what is up with that. What is wrong with you people? Why is every single Chapri on this planet doing this? In India especially. Why are you doing this? It's like always whenever I see these kinds of pictures, it goes every time. It goes like this. There are like 15 to 20 guys with only 3 or 4 pulsars or KTMs or whatever. All the guys wear this weird reflective cheap sunglasses. Many of them have that man cleavage thing going on, cheap looking denim that they pull off till their knee, and the fake Supreme, that's super perme or oof white. Guys, you got a stereotype for you right now. Please don't do these kinds of photo shoots. It comes off very cheap. This whole thing has got a Chapri reputation now, so don't do that. Facebook was already done with this whole thing. Now it's all shifting to Instagram. Please guys, please leave Instagram alone. Number 4 on the list is something that you would really relate to, and I know you hate this. Gamchas with casuals. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck were you thinking? Why? I can understand if it's a traditional event or something like that. Gamchas are perfectly fine at that time. But what is up with you wearing gamchas on shirts, these casual shirts and denim? Like, oh, what are you, Amit Badana? What are you, Garib Siddiqui? See, there are like 2 different kinds of things. Okay, there is this first one is the gamcha wala. The second one is the gamcha wala chapri, जिसे छपरीनेस के स्केल में 100 गमछे out of 10 मिलता है. And finally guys, number 5 on the list is सस्ते नशे. I really don't have much to say about this. I really shouldn't. But गुटखा मत खाओ बे. You're doing nothing good to yourself by doing that, okay, first of all, and you're annoying the hell out of people around you. Bro, joint pass करना. And let's talk about people who are gonna call me hypocrite after this one. It's because have alcohol every once in a while, like occasionally. But let me tell you something. If you have alcohol in a limit, in a certain limit, and that too occasionally, it has numerous health benefits. And मैं वो नशे के लिए नहीं करता हूँ, first of all. But on the other hand, gutka or tobacco has no benefits at all. The chewing tobacco has higher risks of getting mouth cancer. You can't talk to someone without spitting. You pollute the surroundings wherever you go. It gives off a very bad look. No one's gonna respect you, mark my word on this one. And the other thing is, many people eat supari or that chutki kind of that packet wala thing. And when you ask them why, many of them have this reason that by chewing this, you're making your jawline stronger. जा रहा हूं मैं भाई. सही है. ये ब्रैड पिट और रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन इन्होंने ये चुटकी खा के ही अपनी जॉ लाइन बनाई है नहीं. Hey, I know chewing really helps your jawline to get into a good shape, but you have other good options. Get those chewing wala tools to make up your jawline, or at least chew a chewing gum. That's much better. And that's all guys for today's video. I hope you liked this video and you could relate with this one, and I know this thing for sure that you have seen these kinds of people and you are really annoyed just as I am. And I completely understand how annoyed you are. And if you want a third part on this series, I think that this should be a series because there are a lot of things that Chapri people do that you shouldn't. And I know my subscribers aren't Chapri, right? So let me know if you want a part 3 of this video, and I'll make that part very, very soon. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down, and let me know in the comment section below why you did not like this video so that I can improve my future videos. Also, if you want more content like this and are interested into my content, that whatever I'm doing right now and want to support me, I would really appreciate if you consider subscribing to my channel and be a part of our community. If you want to talk to me directly, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned down below. It's @StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. Also, I'm on Snapchat, so you can add me on Snapchat. We can make Snapchat streaks and build our Snap scores together. And again, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S out.